transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. The DeWitt County Sheriff's Office is searching for Phoebe Nicole Hughes. She is a white female, 13 years old, 5 feet, 4 inches tall, 150 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a blue shirt and blue jean capris. Police are looking for Eric Castillo. He is a white male, 34 years old, 5 feet, 2 inches tall, 185 pounds, with red hair and brown eyes. In connection with her abduction, the subject, Eric Castillo, has many tattoos on his arms, legs, chest, and neck. The suspect is driving a black Chevrolet Camaro with a Texas license plate number of DX8B009. The back windshield of the car has a Marine Corps sticker. The suspect was last heard from in Pueblo, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the DeWitt County Sheriff's Office at 361-275-5734. News media point of contact is DeWitt County Sheriff's Office at